The fish landing center in Tvøroyri grew out of discussions to find a better solution for the sale and purchase of fish that would benefit not only the buyers and sellers of fish, but also the fishermen themselves, both large and small. Everyone thought it should be possible to offload a catch at an independent center where the buyers of fish could inspect the quality of the fish and then participate in an open auction that would hopefully bring more to the fishermen than the prevailing market rate. The idea was widely adopted by everyone involved. The first step was to gather in funds to form a corporation that would build the first purpose-built fish landing center in the Faroes. People from all walks of life helped raise money for the center. Owners of large fishing vessels, local coastal fishermen, and other investors, both corporate and private, invested money into this major dream project. In February 2002, the company PF Landingarmiðstøðin at Tvøroyri LMT was founded. PS Tvøroyri House was awarded the contract to build the facility near the harbor, and planning got underway. A year and a half later, the center was completed and ready for business. In December 2003, the Fish Landing Center in Tvøroyri opened its doors to the first auctions. John Nielsen served as the managing director for 3 years and was succeeded by Nils Olaf Eyvinsson, who now currently manages operations of the center.